Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a microphone that's not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. First, let's fix the physical device settings. Go to your search bar, type Sound Settings, and open it. If you're on Windows 11, scroll down and click More Sound Settings. If you're on Windows 10, simply click Sound Control Panel on the right side. In the pop-up window, click the Recording tab. Find your microphone, right-click it, and select Set as Default Device. Next, right-click it again, go to Properties, and open the Levels tab. Make sure your volume is turned up and ensure the small speaker button next to it doesn't have a red mute symbol over it. If it's muted, click it to re-enable your mic, then click Apply. If it's still not working, it's a privacy blocker. Open Windows Settings. For Windows 11, go to Privacy and Security and scroll down to Microphone. For Windows 10, click Privacy and select Microphone from the left sidebar. Make sure microphone access is turned on, toggle Let Apps access your microphone to ON, and make sure the toggle is enabled for the specific app you are trying to use. And that's it. If this video helped you fix your mic, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.